To draw a coconut tree, we begin the sketch with help of triangles, and from this triangle we are gonna draw the leaves of the coconut tree. So it's simple. Draw a line, curve it, then we'll add few coconut. All I did was I just put circles. After this, we'll draw the design. And we'll connect them. Then on the ground, draw some grass. And we'll begin the coloring. Ground will be light green color. And the coconut also will be light green. The leaf would be in this shade of green. Finally,